Ferzoom, a camping light with multiple uses. Ferzoom combines Bluetooth speakers, power banks, and lights. Give you access to outside illumination, a charging station for electronics used for communication, entertainment music, and other features. Ferzoom is distinctive because to its square shape and lamp head's horseshoe shape. The lamp head of Ferzoom can rotate 180 degrees, enabling you to change the light's direction as necessary. The camping light is a versatile lighting equipment for your camping trip thanks to its adaptability, which allows it to illuminate a variety of regions. With a maximum output of 800 lumens, the lamp's brightness may be changed steplessly by pressing and holding the light button. In addition to being suited for outdoor use, the extremely effective and bright LED offers long-lasting performance and energy savings, making it ideal for providing nightly illumination in your home during power outages. Cinego. Cinego is a new startup that is trying to enrich your cinema watching experience with immersive 4K cinema. Guva's Cinego is the most advanced and immersive 4K cinema headset on the market. Lightweight headset with heavyweight features. Get immersive theater quality entertainment anywhere. The Guva Cinego is a 4K headset which can replace any home theater, TV, or smartphone for video viewing with an easy to set up, easy to use, and easily portable integrated headset. The immersive personal 4K cinema is housed in the lightest integrated headset ever built. Designed with twin micro MOLED screens, an intuitive Android OS with Wi-Fi and HDMI capability for seamless connectivity across all your devices. With a 4.5-hour battery life, Cinego is the most engaging way to enjoy your favorite content. The Cinego puts you in your own personal theater and displays a clear, precise, and sharp picture in 4K. You can stream YouTube, Netflix, and any movies you've saved to its internal memory, or connect any gaming system and immerse yourself in everything from your £4 to your Nintendo Switch. Chefman Mini Portable Aerosol. The Chefman Aerosol personal fridge and warmer keeps your food and drinks the perfect temperature while at home and on the go. The ultimate versatile cooler. This mini fridge goes from cooling to heating with just the flip of a switch. Cools up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in an ambient temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact space-saving design and lightweight features make it easy to take with you anywhere, yet can still fit your needs. 4-liter capacity chills 6 12 ounces. Cans, while a removable shelf makes it easy to store milk, juice, yogurt, bottles, smoothies, cheese, fruit, coffee, soup, and many more home-cooked meals or beverages. Label maker. Smarter and smaller compared with the traditional label makers, this portable label maker is smaller and smarter. Compact and lovely design, and you can take it into your pocket and print high-quality labels and stickers anytime, anywhere. The label maker machines are used widely in organizing home supplies, classifying cosmetics items, price name jewelry tags, jar stickers, school and office files classification, storage, marking, etc. Perfect back-to-school item. What you get? Packaged with a roll of free white label maker tape. It is 15 x 30 mm and included 210 piece labels. USB cable and manual are also provided. This label maker machine with tape print is inkless and rechargeable, saving you time and money. A 4K tri-color laser TV projector. Introducing you to a top-of-the-line 4K projector that offers a true home theater experience with state-of-the-art tri-color laser technology, unmatched surround sound, and breathtaking design. Jongo, founded in 2011, is the brand of choice for hundreds of millions of families worldwide and has amassed more than 400 patents and design accolades. Due to its expensive cost, this technology was largely utilized in theaters and movie theaters. You too can directly project a native tricolor laser source without the loss of colors, as opposed to other compromised systems that still require the addition of the phosphor wheel component in front of the light source to project images. All of the product photographs on our campaign website, with the exception of renderings, were taken during our photo session in order to authentically represent our product. Direwolf Pro. The functioning of the phone is significantly impacted, and the temperature increases to the point where it burns your hand and fingers. Mobile gamers and users who watch movies and lengthy videos on their phones are both aware of how unpleasant it is when their phones start to overheat. That's why we developed the Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro, a cutting-edge phone radiator with a built-in battery that employs TEC technology to cool down your phone wherever you are at any time. Here are the 4 typical problems you have when your phone becomes too hot when you're playing games or viewing videos. They are no longer an issue because of the Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro. The last thing you want, after all, is for your phone to overheat when you're playing Fortnite or PUBG Mobile, for example, and ruin your enjoyment of the game. The same might be said whether you're watching an engaging YouTube video or a fantastic Netflix film. You desire to watch high-quality films and play high-quality games without any problems. You can achieve that with the Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro. Novotropes. A naturally occurring, handcrafted cuboid base for people who enjoy the finer things in life. Built and built from American black walnut by a professional craftsman, then finished with a long-lasting, silky smooth finish. Contains a scratch-resistant cube dome to keep prying hands out. There are at least 2 Novotrope sculptures in each kit, the pinnacle of synthesis between nature and technology. Designed by hand from rare hardwoods for people with an exquisite sense of style. Select from African zebrawood or African paddock to add a really one-of-a-kind piece to your collection of priceless art. Created and painstakingly put together by master woodworker David Keeper, who is situated in picturesque Sedona, Arizona. Coated with a tough, silky smooth finish. Very little inventory. There are at least 3 Novotrope sculptures in each kit. Swivel. Do you and your buddies frequently quarrel over the home's sole charger? The only charging cable that not only keeps friendships intact, but also enables 2 devices to charge at once is called Swivel. At Swivel, we believe that caring and sharing go hand in hand enables you to charge at any desired angle. Scrolling over Instagram's many pages, your cable should hung horizontally and vertically. You binge-watched Game of Thrones to keep culturally current despite arriving late to the party. Give the cable a 90-degree hang. Plantone. Users of the Plantone all-in-one lighting, watering, and planting system can grow up to 5 different species simultaneously. One need never worry about overwatering or taking care of indoor plants again with an automatic water tank and a smart light tower sensor. Users can alter the settings for plant rearing at any moment using real-time app technology, ensuring the health and happiness of their plants. Take pleasure in utilizing Plantone. Although most of us have a flower or 2 indoors, we may not be aware of the health benefits of sharing space with plants and herbs. Growing plants indoors is more than just a pretty sight. It can totally purify and clean your air more effectively than any manufactured item. Ferret Dual Spray Window Cleaning Robot. Are you sick of washing your windows the same old way? Have you tried cleaning windows the normal way and wasted too much time and effort? Use the strongest and smartest window cleaning robot available to solve your cleaning problems. An unique dual water spray system is available on the W8. The robot ensures an extremely high degree of wet cleaning performance thanks to its 18 visible water tank. It boasts a 3,800 par maximum suction power and various cleaning modes with real-time voice instructions. It has variable frequency, which enables it to use highly accurate sensors to find edges and barriers surrounding them. With the help of the cutting-edge dual water spray system, you can quickly and thoroughly clean your windows using either wet cleaning solutions or dry cleaning techniques. More effectively and fully wet wiping each line of the path without needing to do a U-turn. Creality CR Scan Lizard. The CR Scan Lizard is a small consumer 3D scanner about the size of a USB power bank. Creality claims that it can achieve up to 0.05mm accuracy and doesn't require any markers for scanning. The basic model doesn't include any accessories and is meant for handheld scanning. Stepping up, the premium combo includes a small tripod and rotating platform for table scanning. At the top, the luxury combo adds a light box and tripod setup for smartphones, which lets users add color textures to their scans. As someone who works with 3D printing, I have always had an interest in 3D scanning. So when Creality offered to send me their CR Scan Lizard 3D scanner for review, I jumped on the chance. Below you will find my thoughts about the Creality CR Scan Lizard and a showcase of some of my scans. CR Scan Lizard Basics. The CR Scan Lizard is a small consumer 3D scanner about the size of a USB power bank. Creality claims that it can achieve up to 0.05mm accuracy and doesn't require any markers for scanning. The basic model doesn't include any accessories and is meant for handheld scanning. Stepping up, the premium combo includes a small tripod and rotating platform for table scanning. At the top, the luxury combo adds a light box and tripod setup for smartphones, which lets users add color textures to their scans.